Wait. Yeah, start.
My name is Arun Shushanti. I'm an assistant professor at TCE Gadag. So I'm working in a mechanical department. Currently, I have taken RAC product design. So it is more of design-oriented course and a bit of refrigeration and air conditioning system. And my experience is we have enhanced our basic skills after watching videos, and it is very helpful in convincing the concepts to the students. At the same time, considering to the examination was quite moderate. It was not so easy as well as not tough, and the questions were very less from the assignment part and more of the concept oriented questions were there. Exam went good. I think NPTEL is doing good in this regard. They are offering so many courses of all different branches, and it is very helpful, and I congratulate the NPTEL team for offering such an opportunity for many of the students to appear for the examination as well as get certification. Thank you.
Thank you.